Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. And this afternoon, nandito tayo sa pinakabagong restaurant dito sa Balangas City, ang Exhibit C. At kasama natin ay isa sa mga may-ari, si Ma'am Ses. Hi, Ma'am Ses.
Hello, delivers. Hi, Gigi.
Alright, so tanungin natin si Ma'am Ses. Ma'am, bakit po ba Exhibit C?
Exhibit C, kasi we have custom cakes, not just ordinary cakes, but cakes that are crafted, that are customized, that have distinct designs.
Alright.
We also serve comfort food, so that's C rin.
Okay, so dalawang C na yan?
Comfort food, and when you say comfort food, as artists kasi, we believe na food should be comforting.
Yeah.
Tapos, so that's 2C.
2C.
And yung third na C is, everything here is an artwork and crafted.
Yes.
So, we have crafts and artworks.
Yes. So, as you see yan, meron silang mga artworks dito. And may mga t-shirt din kayo, no, ma'am? Yan. For sale po yun din.
For sale. For sale yung artworks. Tapos, for sale yung shirts. And we, they say that we are the first art cafe in Bataan.
Alright. So, the first art cafe in Bataan. Yan.
So, gusto kasi namin maging venue siya for all artists and for all art lovers who are also food lovers.
Alright.
So, ang intent talaga namin is for other artists to come here, display their products, display their artworks, tapos we can be a community of art and food loving people.
Alright, so yung pala ito yung difference sa ibang restaurant ha. So yung mga may mga artists dyan na meron kayong mga products, so pwede nilang dalhin dito, ma'am. Yan. Oh, welcome.
Maraming mga students na gusto kasi nila kasi to have an exhibit of your artwork is kaya siya exhibit. Mahirap mag-join sa mga galleries.
Yes,
so, yung place namin is a free venue for all artists. So, they can display their products. Even yung mga moms, ini-encourage namin sila na if they have yung mga crafts, they can display it here.
Okay. Sige. So, kontakin lang natin sila, ma'am. Okay, isa sa mga may-ari ay si Ma'am Cheryl. Hi, Ma'am Cheryl.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. So, ito na may mga artworks niya. Kayo po nagawa na po, ma'am. Opo. So, saan po ba kayo kumukuha ng inspiration? Hugot daw.
Bali yung artworks, ano siya, pen and ink.
Pen and ink ang ginagamit ni ma'am.
Tapos, nagtamit kasi ako ng 6 months. So, sa Latin America. So, usually doon yung inspiration. Tapos,
so, yung mga napunta mo ng mga places, yan. Like this one, ma'am, ano po ba yung ito parang...
Yan, maganda yun.
Ayun.
Nakalagay kasi
Lapit nga tayo, ma'am.
Kung saan country.
Oo, dapat may country. Okay, so ito isa sa mga artwork ni ma'am. Saan po ba ito? Anong inspiration nyo dyan, ma'am? Saan bansa galing?
Nag-start kasi ako mag-drawing during nung nag-travel ako. Doon na ako nag-start. 2016 lang.
Alright, so ito pala, cake pala to deliver. So kala ko picture ng cake pala. And gawa po nito ng...
Brother ko. Brother namin. Ano siya?
Okay.
Isa din siya sa mga owners. Tapos, yung cake na to, life size siya. So,
life size. Okay.
Life size siya. Harlequin na cake. Tapos, edible.
Okay. Ma'am, kwento nga natin ano ba yung kasaysayan na Exhibit C at nagkaroon tayo na Exhibit C po.
So, 3 tatlo sa amin, artist.
Okay.
So, I'm an architect. Yung brother ko I was an accountant turned cake artist. Yung sister ko naman, was a chemical engineer turned fine artist.
Okay.
So every time nag-usap-usap kami, we talk about art and food. So we love to eat and we love to prepare our own food. Tapos we want to experiment on food.
Okay.
And at the same time, lahat kami mahilig sa art.
Okay.
So sabi namin one time na gusto namin ng venue for
all the talents, all the skills.
To display our work.
Oo nga.
We have
muffins.
So, ang mga muffins namin, may surprise.
Oh, may surprise. Ito po, ano po yung surprise nito, ma'am?
Hintayin mo. Para
Sige, tignan natin. Tignan natin. Hanggang nasa loob po ba yung surprise? Ito. Okay. Mamaya masusurprise tayo. Sige po. Pero may crunchy siya, pero mamaya yung surprise po. Opo.
So may surprise.
May surprise mamaya. Hanapin natin surprise.
Okay na visit kayo para mag-order ng muffin para malaman yung surprise.
Opo.
So meron kaming banana muffin.
Ito po, opo.
Double chocolate, peanut butter, and chocolate. Tapos malalabas. Meron din kaming red velvet, saka triple chocolate.
Okay, red velvet. Okay. Then ito po, ma'am, ito po ay
ito naman yung homemade pizza namin. Homemade pizza.
Okay.
So, ano na siya?
Medyo, lumamig na po kasi. Anyway, so tingnan natin. Hindi, okay lang po. Masarap. Cheese mo. Cheese. Then, ito po naman ay for yung mga...
Meron kaming all-day breakfast. Kasi
all day.
kami mag-breakfast. So,
Okay.
Iba-ibang klase yung
Mag-breakfast na tayo.
namin. So, it is served all day.
Ito po, ma'am, ay ito pong
Ito yung adobo flakes.
adobo flakes.
Yun yung adobo flakes. So, yung all-day breakfast namin comes with rice, 2 eggs, coffee, and cookie.
Okay.
So, for 169. So, sulit na sulit.
169 lang po. Then you have pasta, ma'am, no?
Meron kaming 4 na pasta. Meron kaming mac and 4 cheese. Dapat pala mac and 4 cheese. Yung pesto namin, pati yung carbonara namin has a twist.
Then this one po is chicken
This
po.
one is chicken with creamy garlic parmesan. So may choice ka if rice or fries.
Okay.
We also have chicken and gravy and chicken and cheese. Pero yung best seller namin is chicken with creamy garlic parmesan.
And your burger na merong design.
Tapos ayan yung cheese overload burger.
Sige.
And our coffee.
Coffee nyo po
Coffee
ay...
namin ay
Lumamig na. Sige po. Coffee.
Sagada Coffee.
Sagada po to. Alright, so thank you very much, G-Livers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!